his fin?
He looks funny.
Ow! Hey, what'd I do?
Be nice. It's his first time at school.
He was born with it, kids. We call it his lucky fin.
Dude, see this tentacle? It's actually shorter than all my other tentacles. But you can't really tell, especially when I twirl them like this.
I'm H2O intolerant. I'm obnoxious.
Well, I'm helping you. Wait right here. Guys!
What, is he bothering you again?
No, he's a good guy. Go easy on him. He's lost his son, Fabio. Any of you heard of P. Sherman, 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney?
Sydney? Oh, sure.
Fine. Who do you want to ask? The spec? There's nobody here.
Well, there has to be someone. It's the ocean, silly. We're not the only two in here.
Dory!
Dun.